Elise, first bath. Do you like your bath? Hmm?
Okay. Come on.
If you want to see her. You want watching Elise take a bath?
Yeah. It's baby. Hi, baby.
Adrian, stop.
Hold on, Adrian.
Oh, no.
Just wait.
No.
It's okay.
No.
Like the water? Getting
Come on,
cold.
boo.
She's getting cold. Uh-oh. We got little Elise in her little black dress. She has a different color on for a change. You gotta take a break from that pink sometimes, don't you? She's staring. Her little black dress and her little black shoe socks. Let me see your shoe socks. Oh, cute. She got a little black bow. Hi. Hi there. Say I will be 4 weeks old soon. 4 weeks old. You look crooked. Hi. Let me fix me a little bit. I'm still sliding. You gonna smile? You just smiled. Are you smiling now? Huh? Hi there. You are wide awake right now. You sitting in the chair? I'm just sitting in the chair. You see that camera? Look at those cheeks. Look at those cheeks. Bye-bye. See you later. I gotta hold her. She can't sit up here by herself. I gotta hold her. What you doing, Elise? Can't even see her face. You watching the cars? Sitting in the window. Adrian, I gotta hold her. Adrian don't want me to hold her. I gotta hold her, Adrian. She can't sit by herself. Be nice. You watching the cars go by? Yeah. Aww. Here's little Elise. She's sleeping. She is now a month old. And like I said, she is 10 pounds. Over 10 pounds. She's almost 11 pounds. She has some little chunky legs. She's got fat on her legs now. Aww. Adrian's always in her face.
Hey.
Okay, I need to wash this off. Thank you. Disturbing her sleep, but that's her.